Hello everyone, myself Maruti, welcoming you all to the math videos here. Right, in this chapter I'm going to, or in this video I'm going to explain about a sum dealing with the real calculations or real life application, which is nothing but age related sums. Right, the sum what I have picked is from linear equations under one variable. We are not taking two variables, any one variable, either x or y or z, any one variable we are supposed to. So now it is nothing but age related sums. I am going to tell you a logic how to deal with these age related sums, taking the example of one sum and two persons. As it is age related, obviously we deal with the people. Okay, now let's get back to the sum here. Mary is twice older than her sister. We are talking about two people, Mary and her sister. Mary is twice older than her sister. Okay. Now, in 5 years means after 5 years, obviously we know after 5 years means age will increase. Okay, increase means plus. You have to remember that. So, in 5 years' time, she will be, who is that she? Mary. We are talking mainly about Mary. Please remember. Right, in 5 years she will be 2 years older than her sister. Again, what is the word we have used? Older. Older means again plus. So please remember, he is talking about two relations. The first one is the two people are Mary and Mary's sister. That's the first point. Mary and Mary's sister. There are the two people. And the first one is present relation we are talking about. Present and what is the relation? Okay, present relation we are talking about. Next, future relation we are talking about. The future and its relation. That is what we are talking about. The two people are Mary and Mary's sister. Present relation we are talking about, and future relation we are talking about. Generally, it's easy for us to set a table like this, and if it is a future, we take forward, and if it is past, right, old, right, beyond, before, then we take minus. But as it is, we are talking about the future, you have to remember the relation is plus. And I like to tell you a logic. If it is something like in the past 5 years, means from present we have to go past, we have to write the table here and it becomes minus. Okay, hope you are able to understand. Alright, let me deal with the sum now. So what he says, Mary is twice older than her sister. You please remember, Mary's age is compared to Mary's sister. That's very important. You please remember, to which it is compared, first you take that as x. That's the clue logic what I am taking. Mary's age is compared to Mary's sister's age. Therefore, take sister's age as the variable. So, I like to go here. Mary's sister's age, I like to call it as x. That's the cool thing. To whom it is compared, that you take it as x. So, Mary's age is compared to Mary's sister's age. Therefore, Mary's sister's age, I am taking it as x. Now, what is the relation he has given? What is the relation he has given? What he says, Mary is twice older than her sister. Twice older. That's the twice older. You know what's the meaning of twice? Twice means 2 times. Whatever her age is, she will be twice older than her. Twice 2 into the thing. What is there? It is nothing but x. So you have to remember this one. So Mary's age, right? If you take the relation here, right? If you take Mary's sister's age, Mary and Mary's sister. Right, are you able to understand? If you take Mary's sister age as x, then Mary will be something like 2x. You have to remember that one, right? So I don't want to say it as equals. So the relation is this. Okay, Mary's sister is x, age is x, and what is the age of Mary? Double of that one, 2x. That is the first one. Now the next one. After 5 years. Can you please tell me, if your age is 12 now, what is your age after 5 years? 12 plus 5, 17. Right. If your dad's age is something like 42, after 5 years, what is his age? 42 plus 5, which is nothing but 47. In the same way, here, if Mary's sister's age is x now, what is her age after 5 years? Shall I take straight away? X plus 5 Yes. What is Mary's sister's age? X plus 5 after 5 years. Is it cool? Now, what is Mary's present age? Just now we have written it as 2x. What will be her age after 5 years? Present age plus 5. Present age is 2x and after 5 years her age will be 5. You have to remember. These are present ages. These are ages after 5 years. Mary's sister age is x present. After 5 years, x plus 5. Mary's age is 2x at the present. After 5 years, her age is 2x plus 5. You have to remember. That I am writing it here. Okay, let us go according to the steps now. Let Mary's sister's age. Lady's sister's age, we are taking it as x years. That is what we have taken. Right. Then, right, according to the problem, which implies Mary's age, right, is equal to what? It's nothing but 2x. How did you get that? How did you get that? According to the problem, right, she is double of her sister's age. That is what he has given. As it is the double, as she is x, she is 2x. This is present age. I like to call, if you want, you can call it as present ages. You can keep it subheading as present ages. Okay, Nana. Now let's go for the next subheading. Future ages. Future ages are in the bracket after 5 years. You can take after 5 years. Okay, now according to the question, then what is Mary's sister's age? Right. After 5 years we are talking about. If the age of Mary's sister is x, after 5 years, just now I have seen, it is x plus 5 years. Okay, Nana. Then what is Mary's age? Mary's age is equal to, earlier it is 2x, now it is plus 5. These are the ages what I have taken according to the question. Now, according to the problem, right, so what's the relation he has given? That's the very important what we are doing now. So, after 5 years, what is the relation? That is what? Right, in 5 years, she will be 2 years more. Who is she here? Who is main here? We are talking about Mary, right? What is the age of Mary after 2 years? That's what. So this said, right. Mary is, what's that? 2 years older. 2 years older than her sister. Right, this is very important. After what? After 5 years. What is the age of Mary? What is the age of Mary here? It's nothing but, right, 2x plus 5. Here what it is said, Mary is 2 years older than her sister. Okay, here to make both the ages equal, think on here. Who is more after 5 years? What he says, Mary's age is 2 years older than her sister. Okay, after 5 years we are talking about. The concept is after 5 years. Okay, now let us think about how to equate Mary's age and Mary's sister's age. That is what? That is called linear equation. Right, what is Mary's sister's age? Sister's age is something like x plus 5. Okay, after 5 years, sister's age is x plus 5. You know that. What is Mary's age after 5 years? 2x plus 5. One is 2. Mary's age is 2x plus 5. Sister's age is x plus 5. Right? That is the question. Now, after 5 years, who is more? Who is more? Mary's age is 2 years older than, right, so here Mary's age is 2 years older than her sister after 5 years. Means, who is more? Mary is more. But to make them equal, as she is more by 2 years, to make it balance, right, she is more. Mary's age is 2 years more. This is down, this is less, right? Less by how much? 2 years. So if I add 2 to Mary's sister's age, they both become equal. This is the trick what you have to remember. To make it as common balance, equal, This is Mary's age. This is Mary's sister's age. And what he said, Mary's age is 2 years older, means more. So 2 years more, as it is more, right, it is more. To make it balance, as it is down by 2 years, if we add 2 years to Mary's sister's age, it will become equal. So I am adding 2 to Mary's sister's age. That is the trick word, to make them, as this fellow is already more by 2 years, to make it equal, I have to add to Mary's sister's age. Then only they would become equal. This is the trick what you have to remember. Now 2x plus y is equal to x plus 5 plus 2. It's nothing but 7. Send the x to the other side. 2x plus x, if it goes to other side, minus x, and already 7 is there, plus 5 comes to here, it is nothing but minus 5. 2x minus x is nothing but x is equal to 2, or I can write it down here only, x equals to 2. What is this x? Is it Mary's age or Mary's sister's age? Right, as we have done, Mary's sister's age. Let's go here. Therefore, Mary's sister's age at present. How much is that? Right, x equals, how much is that? It's a 2. Okay, then what is Mary's age? Mary's age at present is nothing but 2 into that x, which is nothing but 2 into that bracket. What is that x we got? It's 2. It's nothing but 4. So Mary's age is 4 years and Mary's sister's age is 2 years. If you check it out, if she is 2, she is double. Sister is double the age. If she is x, she is 2x. Hope you understand. In this channel, I have been placing both math and science videos.